Happy Friday everyone! It's time for another video here on YouTube for you guys. Today we talk about what's in my DJ bag. Or what's in my DJ bags, because I have two of them. But first, here's my intro. Okay. This is my first DJ bag and it's black and the contrast is very high and you can see it really well. But here are two small bags on this bag, and in the first one is my MacBook Pro 13-inch. Yeah, just a base level model with a 512 SSD and i5, 16 GB of RAM. It's okay. It's just for Serato and Rekordbox, so you see. In the other bag you have one cinch cable, one USB cable and a power supply for my DJ controller, and normally a power supply for my MacBook and an adapter for my MacBook because it is USB Type-C. And inside this big bag you have my headphones. I have two pairs, one V-Moda V100 and one Beats Mix R Special Edition in red. I like both and I normally use both. And inside this big bag you see my DJ controller. This is the MCX 8000 from Denon. It's works with engine software, USB stick and Serato. I use it with Serato and no USB stick and crazy stuff like this. I like to have my MacBook in front of me to type on it and search for tracks, and yes, because of this, Serato is the best way for me. And if my laptop crashes, I can't use the USB stick to reboot my MacBook, but a MacBook does not crash. This is my first bag. I usually use this in clubs where I don't have a CDJ setup or a setup with Denon CD player, media player, the... how do they call? SC5000. They're great too for Serato, but normally they have CDJ 2000 Nexus Mark 1 or the normal CDJ 2000 and DJM 900 Nexus, and maybe they have a DJ 900 Nexus Mark 2. And some clubs they have the DJM 800. This is my second DJ bag. This is a UDG bag with two rolls under it to just, you know, it's like a business bag for people with much paper. And in this bag I have some USB things, business cards, and just secure. In this I have my laptop stand in foldable position with an USB Type-C adapter with 4 USB ports on it, just to plug it in my MacBook when it's on here. So I never miss this when I'm with this bag. In the back part of it, there are normally my MacBook, but my MacBook is at this moment in my other DJ bag, so it's not in here. This place is empty. In the front I have 2 bags to organize more stuff, but in these bags it's nothing, because I just throw in everything I need. Here some cinch cable, non-Ethernet cable to link the player if they don't link like usually. I have some more USB cable to use the CDJ 2000 Nexus with Serato in HID mode and use them as a normal DJ controller like the MCX 8000. And yeah, also I have my Rane Serato SL2. Yes, I use this one and not the club package for Serato, because in some clubs they have DJ mixers without interface, and I'm prepared for everything when I have this in my bag. So this is in my DJ bag. And here are my second headphones, the V-Moda V100 over-ear headphones. This probably the best headphones for DJs out there, and not the Sennheiser HD25. Charging cable for my iPhone, small roll of gaff tape. You never know when you need a roll of gaff tape. And normally my small action cam, the DJI Osmo Action, and my MacBook's power supply. This one is the best power supply you can buy on Amazon. In my opinion, it's from Anker, and you have 4 more USB Type A charging ports to charge your iPhone, to charge your action cam, to charge, and you have 1 USB Type C port for your MacBook, and you can use this whole together and charge them really fast. And this is better than the original one, and this is where I'm gonna leave it. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next Friday here. Please comment down below what's in your DJ bag, and like the video if you like this DJ stuff. And don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and all other platforms. My name is Seed, and see you next week.